So in this video we are going to discuss about more sequential state machine. So the problem is derive the state table and state diagram for the sequential circuit given below. So they have given a JK flip-flop. So the values are X. So they have given two JK flip-flop, JK and Q bar on this P, and so since the clock is common, I can tell it is a synchronous sequential circuit, and is that Y is your output. So Y represent Y is equal to QA bar, QB bar. So here the output depends on Y depends on the present state, right? Therefore it is called as Moore machine. So what is the value of JA? Okay, they have given K is equal to 0. Okay. What is the value of J and K is equal to 1? Okay. So J is equal to QB into X. Okay. What is KA? KA is equal to 1, and JB is equal to QA X bar, and KB is equal to 0. So this is what they have given the question. Okay. So for this one I need to form a state table, right? So how many inputs are there? So the only one input is X. Okay. So X is your input, and X is your input, and QA and QB is your present state, right? Since I have only two flip-flop, QA and QB is your present state, and QA plus and QB plus is your next state, and I need to form the value for JA and KA, then JB and KB, then Y. Okay. So let me write this one 0 0 0 0 to 0 to 7 I have to write, right? So what is the value of JA? JA is equal to QB into X. JA is equal to QB into X. So if X is 0 means JA is 0. QB is 0 means output is 0. For the rest it is 1. K they have given it as 1. KB they have given it as 0. And Y they have given it as QA bar, QB bar. QA bar, QB bar, that is 1. If it is 1 means it will goes to 0. If any value is 1 means it will goes to 0. For rest it is 1. Okay, so what is JB? JB is equal to QA x bar. So QA is 0 means output is 0. For the rest, x bar is 1 means output is 0. Sorry, x bar is 0 means output is 0. So for this one it is 1. Okay, so I need to find the value of QA plus. From the characteristics equation, of JK flip-flop, QA plus is equal to JA QA bar plus KA QA. K bar QA. Likewise, QB plus is equal to JB QB bar plus KB bar QB. Okay, so substitute this one. So for this QA is 0, JA is 0, so it is 0. Both this value QA and JA is 0 means output is 0. Okay, since it is 1, it is 0, 1. Anyway, this term is 0. If J is 0 means definitely this will goes to 0. So for this one, there is 1 and 1, so this is 1, and if I substitute this is 0, so this is also 0. So let me go for QB. QB means so this is 1, right? Since KB is 1, 0, KB bar is 1, so I can write JB QB bar plus QB. Okay, so for the first value, 0. So if QB and JB is 0 means output is 0. So this is for this one, for this one. Okay, next, if QB is 1, obviously the output is 1. So okay, so this is 0. Okay, JB is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, so this is your answer. So now I am going to replace the state table by QA QB. 0 0 means that is S0, and 0 1 means it is S1, and 1 0 means it is S2, and 1 1 means S3. Okay, so QA QB S0. Okay, when x is equal to 0, what is QA plus and QB plus? Okay, what is QA? This is S0. When x is equal to 0, it is S0, right? So it is S0. So when it is x is equal to 1, what is the value of QA plus and QB plus? When it is 1, it remains in S0 only. Next, S1 is 0 1. When it is 0, it is in S1. When it is 1, it goes to S3. So S1 S3. So S2 means 1 0, so it will goes to S1 or S0. For S3 you can see X0 means it goes to S1, and 1 also it goes to S1. So next, when x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, what is the value of Z? Okay, so Z is 1 0, sorry, 1 1 0 0. For rest everything it is 0 0. So this is your state table. You can see any is there any further reduction is possible. Nothing is same. Okay, though the outputs are same, here the inputs are not, the next state value is not staying. This is your present state, this is your next state, and this is your output. Okay, so this is your state table. So next I am going to draw the state diagram. So you know there are 4 states: S0, S1, S2 and S3. Okay, so what are their outputs? Outputs are, for S0 output is 1, for the rest it is 0, right? So when S0 is equal to 0, it will be 0, it will be in 0 only, or if it is 1 also it will be in S0. So S1, when it is 0, it will be in S1. If it is 1, it goes to S3. Next S2, 0, it will goes to S1, or it will goes to 1 means it will goes to S0. Next S3, if it is 0, if it is 0 or 1, it will goes to S0, sorry, S1. Okay.